I see chicken. I see chicken. I see chicken. If you guys have not seen the chickens here, there's chickens. Yep. Let's see if we can get one to come up to me. I don't know. We'll see. Hey. Yeah. And these are the chickens that are not supposed to let you at all touch them. They're supposed to be like, they're not supposed to like you. There's a mower tire on there for a reason. Like I said in the last video, we made a little thing for Goosey. Well, it was technically a piece of a garden, and we just put a cage around it so the animals can go in there. But the problem was they kept escaping, and they escaped around 3 or 4 times, and it's not very easy trying to catch them. If you know what catching a bunny rabbit is like, it's not very easy. But they kept escaping. We're going to do that until we figure out a new way to get the bunnies out, because Goosey does not want them, mainly because they sit on top of her. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go in the chicken coop and see if they have any more eggs in there. We already went there today, but we don't know if that's all the eggs that they gave out. So we're going to see. Well, there's no eggs in here, so we're just gonna go out there, and therefore, yeah, shut up, you stupid animal. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna make some ramen noodles, and I'm gonna put an egg in there, maybe 2, depending on how well the eggs are. Now, right now, I'm thinking about cooking the eggs first, due to the fact that, well, ramen noodles is gonna get cold if you wait too long. Okay, there's many different styles you can do eggs. You can do it where it's pretty much raw, but it's cooked a little bit. You can do it where it's medium, where the yolk is still kind of moist. And hard-boiled eggs basically have a dry yolk. But I like mine medium, but it's really hard to do it. It's more difficult than having it raw. Okay, this is the ramen noodle I'm going to be cooking, and it's basically beef ramen noodle. Don't judge me, but I don't have like metal forks at the moment. I only have plastic ones, so I'm going to be using chopsticks. Okay, I did not cook my eggs long enough, but I'm going, hey, maybe these Asians eat like this. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pretend that I'm in Asia, and this is not undercooked. So, it did not turn out the way I wanted it to, but again, like I said, I'm going to pretend that I'm in Asia. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Not great. But, hey, it's getting rid of the eggs. That's all that matters, in my opinion. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you next time. Peace.